Hi, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Valente, and today I'm going to read to you The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. I really do. And I understand how he feels. I waited 30 years before I finally got a puppy. The Pigeon Wants a Puppy. Words and Pictures by Mo Willems. He's got a long list of demands, things I want. Drive a bus, eat a hot dog all by myself, stay up late, real estate, a big red truck, turtleneck sweaters, a driver's license, roller skates, French fries on demand, and finally we get down to a puppy. He's got a lot of demands. Oh, hello. How are you? I'm fine, thanks for asking. By the way, do you know what I want? What I've wanted forever, at least since last Tuesday. A puppy! Puppy, puppy, puppy! Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of it. I promise I'll water it once a month. You water a puppy? What? Everybody knows that puppies need plenty of sunshine and water. Oh, I get it. You don't want me to be happy, do you? You don't want me to take a piggyback ride on my puppy or play tennis with it. You just don't understand. I'm a puppy-loving pigeon. Aw, puppies. He really loves puppies. I want a puppy right here, right now. He really is demanding. I'm not going to get something that way. Woof! What's that? Woof, woof. Is it possible? Have my dreams come true? Ah! Woof? I don't think he was expecting that. It's huge! The teeth, the hair, that wet nose, the slobber, the claws. I mentioned the teeth, right? Really? I had no idea. I don't think he really wants a puppy anymore. I've changed my mind. I want a walrus. One walrus coming your way. I hope you enjoyed that story. Have a great day.